Hello there. In this short video, we're going to have a little look at the delete functionality within FileStream and how you can find any deleted items and actually restore them. So if I look at my in tray and I want to delete a document, I have to firstly select it, and then you have a little cross up here. Now you've got two different options, as you can see from this drop down. You have the main delete button, but you also have a drop down to destroy the document. I can't emphasize enough, you've got to be very careful about using destroy because we cannot recover that. So if you're deleting, usually I would just recommend that you hit delete. It'll pop up with a message asking you to confirm, so we'll say yes. And now, as you can see, that scan 10 is no longer in my in tray. If I go to my in tray folders, I've got a recycle bin with deleted items listed. So I'm going to have a little look in there. And there we go, there's my document, scan01. You can see when it was deleted as well, it was last modified, and the time and the date. So from here, I have the option to either destroy it, as I say, that means it's going to be permanently deleted from the system, or I can restore it. So if I select restore, and then go back to my in tray, you'll be able to see that, there we go, my document's been restored back to my in tray. If you had deleted something from a cabinet, it would be restored back to the cabinet, so it's always going to revert back to where it was originally located. So let's delete this again. Look at our deleted items, and I'll show you what happens if I want to destroy it. I get a pop-up asking me to actually confirm and a warning that we cannot retrieve it again. So you have to type in that you are intending to destroy it permanently. And there we go, it's now no longer in our deleted items or in our in tray. So just be very careful of that feature. Thank you very much, and if you want any more information about this, then please don't hesitate to contact us on support@filestreamsystems.co.uk.